Hi, I'm Alex, the machine apprentice here at NIKKEN.
And I'm Charles, the technical support apprentice, and today we're going to answer some of the questions we've got in.
Right, the first question, what challenges have you faced during your apprenticeship?
So one of the biggest challenges I faced was probably integrating a fourth axis onto my machine, hooking it all up, getting the motors working, coding it into the machine, and it really took a lot of perseverance to get it working. What about you?
I struggled modelling complex parts in a 3D environment.
What made you want to start an apprenticeship?
I struggled learning in a classroom environment, so I wanted to get hands-on experience within the industry. Was that similar for you?
I think I wanted to start a career where I could make things and also find new things out for myself.
Another question is, what's the biggest project you've worked on so far?
So the biggest project I've probably worked on is several large pieces of fixturing for a major aerospace contractor. What was your favourite project you've worked on whilst being here?
My favourite project that I've worked on is the NIKKEN torque pot. It gave me the freedom to innovate and both model and machine my own parts. So what advice would you give to someone looking to become an apprentice?
It'd definitely be to research the different fields of engineering because it's that varied and vast that you can really go anywhere with it.
My top tips are to get experience using relevant CAD/CAM software and to grow your contacts within the industry.
If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to contact us.
And we'll see you in the next video.